Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to use Midjourney to produce your initial AI-generated artwork. Start by visiting midjourney.com. Once the page opens, click the Sign In button. You will be prompted to use Discord, which is essential for running the software. If you are new, select Register and fill in your email, username, password, and birth date. After agreeing to the terms, click Continue and pass the human verification test. Next, authorize the Midjourney bot to link with your Discord. If your account isn't verified, check your email for a confirmation link from Discord. After verifying, return to the Midjourney site, sign in again, and authorize the connection. You can now view the community showcase or start creating by clicking Join the Discord to enter the official server. Accept the invite and complete any additional security checks, such as selecting specific images. To make an image, go to a newbie's channel and type /imagine, followed by your prompt. You can set the aspect ratio by adding AR and your dimensions, like 4:8. You must accept the terms of service before your first request. If a free trial isn't active due to high demand, you will need to pick a subscription plan. Options include a basic plan for about $8 a month when billed annually, or $10 for monthly billing. Enter your billing info and subscribe. Once active, return to Discord and send your prompt again. Wait for the progress bar to reach 100%. If the chat moves quickly, scroll up to find your 4 drafts. Use the U buttons to upscale your favorite image, like U4 for the 4th option. Once the high-resolution version is ready, you can save it or try further variations like the beta upscale redo. That is how you set up and use Midjourney through Discord. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like this video for more AI tutorials.